Alright, so I wanted to make this video for you, showing you how to use your email that the school is going to provide for you this year. If you're a student at Upstream Learning, you will get an email account just like all the other students at Glen Allen and Kenny Lake and Slant and the other schools. So I want to kind of show you how this works. To get onto your email account, you just need to go to Google. You can just type in your cursor, or this little box up here, Google. Just go to google.com. It's going to look like this. And then you can either go to Gmail, so you click on that. Mine's already going to be open, but I'm actually not going to sign out, so forget that. But you can also go over here and choose this mail right here. And I'm going to show you in a minute exactly what happens when you open it. I'll show you that then. But so where does your email account come from? It's coming from the school district in Google, and your address is going to look something like this. It's going to be your first initial plus your last name, and it's going to be at crsd.us. And to show you an example of what this looks like, so say you're George Washington and you just started school with 3rd grade and you need an email account and you're going to Upstream Learning. Well, we just take his first initial G, then we put his last name, Washington, and then we'd go at crsd.us. Just like they always say HC60, we always have at crsd.us, and then this is like the box number. So whatever your name is, first initial, last name at crsd.us. If in some families, if you start with the same letter, we might have to give you like, if there was George Washington and Gina Washington, we might have to have G.E. Washington and then G. Washington. But we'll send you your exact login. Okay, so that's kind of that. And then if we go back, maybe not there, okay. So if we go back here, and let's say we want to sign into our email. I'm going to sign out here now. So I go here, and I'm going to sign out. Okay. Hope this isn't going to mess up my recording. I don't think so. So what you're going to do is, it's going to look a little bit different here. Mine is kind of more advanced, but it says syncing here, but don't worry about it. It's going to give you this box, and it's going to want you to put your name in. It's going to want you to put your first initial last name at crsd.us. So I'm just going to hit here, sign in again. And see, it gives me my address. And once you sign in and such, it'll do this for you as well, and it'll only want the password. So I put my password in. I'm not going to show what that is because I like my email private. And so I'm going to sign in here. Put the password in. The password you're going to use, let me show you here, is, so password, let me get that. So, and you will get this too. So the password is capital CRSD 2019 question mark. Everybody has the same. So the password is CRSD 2019 question mark. Once you get in, signed in, it's going to ask you to change that password. Make sure you do that. I won't know what your password is. Nobody else will. So if you forget it, you might want to write it down somewhere. Make it something you won't forget. And then if you do lose it though, if you call one of us, we'll get it fixed eventually, but it won't be extremely easy. You'll have to wait on us to figure it out. So that's kind of the introduction to the email. I hope that makes sense to you. And let us know if you have any other questions, and that is it.